Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace. And today marks a special day, for we are reminded of a beautiful time in the past. Today, we were able to basically make moves on the very first pattern that I discovered in pegged in Bitcoin. And it is simply more further proof of my theory on Bitcoin, which is that Bitcoin has its own unique patterns that are high percentage success patterns that no one has ever discovered before. But we have. Since day one. Now, what is this pattern that I'm speaking of? Well, I'll tell you. For those of you who've been around my channel since the beginning, first off, I appreciate you and I love you. But this pattern is what launched this chapter of my life. And this pattern is called the double scrotum. Yesterday we posted the double scrotum in our Discord trade group. This pattern is so important that I even have a, what do you call it? Picture of it hanging up. It is a pattern that is on the Bollinger Bands. And it makes one, and then a two, and then see you to the upside. Now here we have one, and it looked like it was going to be forming another. Now, the price has to dip down beforehand. So, we had entries at 6,500, and I was also we were prepared at 6,100. It went down to what, 64 or something? I was asleep. But it hit our targets, exited the short, entered the long at the same time. And here we are. Now what's funny is in hindsight, this move hasn't been that big. Well, let's see here. Yeah, 10% move is big. But when you zoom out, you realize that we were just here not so long ago. Now, to me, the probability of what is going to happen next is really just another smaller semicircle. We're still deep in the red. I do not see the signs that this is a bottom yet. We remember Market Cipher on the weekly gave us our signal for the bottom, and it was pretty much spot on. So I'm hoping and looking for another one for confirmation. If I haven't been clear enough of where I think the bottom of Bitcoin probably is, it's pretty simple. I believe it's in the mid 5,000s. And I'll give you a reason why. When we dumped down to 3K, it stopped right here at this hitch, right? There was a hitch right here, broke through this one, came down here. Sat right on top. Now we have 2 hitches right here. So I believe that this is most likely the bottom for Bitcoin. So help me God. Boy, has everyone been scared. Shit, I have to go. Damn it. All right. There really wasn't much else for me to say in this video besides go get them, double scrotum, did it again, good memories. See you guys later.